Hello and welcome back to Creo Parametric part modeling. Today, let's just try out to make a simple model inside Creo Parametric. We have been given the dimensions, all the things are given, so let's just start the part. We are in the solid environment right now. I will just click on the sketch and I will define the front plane. Sketch on it and make it normal. I will make the base sketch. For that, I will choose a line and start from the origin, like this, and finally close the sketch. Press middle mouse button to pop up the dimensions. Click on dimension, click on the 9 and press middle mouse button. This is 20, this one is 12, this one is 60, and this is 115, and I will hit OK. Click on extrude and assign the dimension 12. OK. Next, to add this flange, a 48 height, choose this top, sketch, normal. Add a corner rectangle like this, smart dimensions. This one is 12, this one is 60, and hit OK. Extrude, and I'll choose this sketch, and this time I will say 48. Next, to add this flange of width 20 and length 50. Choose this top surface, sketch, normal. Add a corner rectangle, dimensions, this one is 50 while this one is 20, and I will say OK. I will extrude, and this time the extrusion is 23 plus 25, and I will say OK. Add some rounds of 25 folio and select this edge and this edge. OK. Next, I'll create this cutout of diameter 25. For that, choose this, normal, and I will take reference of this circle, close this, and add a circle of diameter 25. Hit OK. Extrude, flip the direction, and make sure to remove the material. Apply some appearance, click on appearance, and this time I will choose body and hit OK. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.